In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an animated AI images yourself with just your smartphone. I know you might have been seeing all these images trending online here and there. All these people are using their smartphone to do it with just a simple step. So don't panic, calm down, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that I can use to create these AI trending images yourself with this simple website that I'm going to show you. Don't go anywhere, just stay. Hello guys, my name is Opayemi and I want to welcome you to this channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, oh my god, what are you still waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, you will be notified. Stay tuned to the end of this video. So all you have to do is to go to your Chrome browser, then search for Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Microsoft Bing Image Creator. So search for it. Do you see this what's it called? This image creator from Microsoft Designer? Just click on it. The first response. Let me indicate it for you. So click on this one, the first one, click on it. Can you see this is where you have to describe what you like to create? But before then, you click on join and create because you have to join this platform. So click on join and create. Do you see join and create? Just click on it once. So this is where you have to create a Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account, you can just log in. For me now, I have a Microsoft account. I don't know if I remember, but let me just try my luck. And if it doesn't work, we are going to create another one together. Oh good, it works. So if you haven't created your own, you can just click on create. There is down there, just click on create for you to create your own now. So now I have logged in. The first step is just to describe what you want here. Describe it here. Describe what you like to create. So after you might have clicked on create and join, you see this test that displays what to see how image creator works. Let's surprise me, then create. That is, if you like to see what they've generated through this platform, you just have to put in your text, then click surprise me here. You just have to click on it. That is, if you don't know what you want to do, you can just click on it. And if this is your first time of using Microsoft Bing to generate AI images, you'll be given 15. Can you see this 15 here? You'll be given that to generate your images per day. That is 15 per day. So that is, if you do 15 today, you will do another 15 tomorrow. So the first one I want this AI generator to generate for me is this. So the first one that I would like to generate is a chubby child running away with fish on his head and his father is running after him. That is what I want this AI to generate for me. Can you see how I wrote my own? Generate pizza style image of a chubby child running away with fish on his head and his father running after him in a village setting. So before we create, let's just scroll down and look at all those ones that people have created using this AI generator. Can you see they are trying to show us samples of those ones that people have generated? So now let's go. Click on this create. Can you see this create here? Create here. So click on it once to generate these AI images for us. So let's just hold on for it for us to generate our own animated. See, we have 1 2 3 4, so you can download any of them that you want. So can you see which of them will you prefer to download? This, what I love about this AI generator is that it does as you said. The same way you want it, that is how it will give it to you. But I want you to take note of something here. Can you see this digit that it decreases to 14? Don't forget that I told you that we have just 15 counts. So when it is 0, you have to enroll the second day. So you can use this 14 to generate as much as you want. So when it is 15, you pause till the next day. So let's try to download either of these images now. And if you don't want this type of images, you can reconstruct your own text. You can reconstruct it. So click on the one that you want. So I would like to click on this. So I will just click on it and hold it down. Can you see this download images at the down part of my screen here? Download image. So I have to click on it and it's downloading on my phone. Can you see it? That is downloaded already on my phone. File downloaded. So this is just how to generate your AI images. But before I go, I would like so the second one that I would like to create is generate business style image of a traditional wedding in a village setting. So let's create. Let's hold on for it for a while. Wow, can you see image of a traditional wedding in the village setting? Can you see? So let me try to download one of these by right clicking on it and click on download the way I did the other time. So we have 4 of them, so just download the one that you want. I hope you understand this better. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button so that whenever I have a video like this, you will be notified. So before I go, I would like to do 2 more. So I also said generate princess style image of a shopping girl with a bowl of rice on her head in the village setting with a blur background. So let's generate this. Can you see my count is now 13? I have 13 more to go. So I click on generate now. So let's hold on for it. Wow, can you see that we have many of these? So you can just download the one that you want out of these 3, then you are out of these 4, then you are good to go.